In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PDF file on Facebook Messenger from WPS Office. We're going to walk through a quick, reliable way to send a PDF straight from WPS Office to a conversation in Facebook Messenger. This works whether you're on a phone, tablet, or computer, and the general flow is the same. Open your file, share it, pick Messenger, choose who you're sending it to, and send. I'll call out a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open WPS Office and load the PDF you want to share. If the file is already in your recent list, tap it to open. If not, browse to your documents or your device storage and select the correct PDF. Take a moment to confirm it's the right version. Check the title, the number of pages, and any key details inside. This quick review helps you avoid sending the wrong file, especially if you keep multiple drafts. Next, look for the Share option inside WPS Office. On most screens, you'll find a Share button near the top right, often represented by an arrow or a share icon. If you don't immediately see it, you may find it in a menu, such as 3 dots or a file menu on desktop. The goal is simply to open the sharing panel from within WPS Office while your PDF is in view. When the sharing options appear, choose Facebook Messenger. This will hand the file off to Messenger so you can send it like any other attachment. If Messenger isn't listed at first glance, check for a More or All Apps option to reveal the full sharing list. If it still doesn't appear, make sure Messenger is installed and updated on your device, as it needs to be available to show up as a share target. Now select the person or chat you want to send the file to. You can search for a name, tap a recent conversation, or choose a group chat. Double check you've picked the correct thread, especially if you have contacts with similar names. If you'd like, you can add a brief note in the message field to give context, such as what the PDF contains or why you're sending it. Finally, tap Send. Allow a moment for the file to upload, especially if it's large or your connection is slow. You should see the PDF appear in the chat once it's delivered. If it seems stuck, try again when you have a more stable internet connection. That's all it takes. Open, share, pick Messenger, choose the recipient, and send. You've successfully shared your PDF from WPS Office to Facebook Messenger.